This might be the coolest birthday card I've ever seen. Today I'm going to be reviewing XTF 2015's Happy Birthday card with fireworks, lights, music, sound. This thing's pretty amazing. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me because this really is the coolest birthday card I've ever seen. Let me show you what it does. Here we go. 3D. Lights. All right. Real cool. Happy birthday song. All that great. Watch this. When you blow it out, fireworks go. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That's cool. And your kid, your wife, your husband, they're going to love that. You actually blow out the birthday card. I've never seen anything like that at all. Great place to sign your name. Happy birthday. It comes with a nice hard stock envelope here. The dimension 7.87, 5.9 inches this way. They also add a little hard stock card. This gets 4.8 stars. It's got over 3,100 reviews. And last month, just this card sold over 2,000. So if you're looking for the coolest card ever, check out XTF's 2015 Happy Birthday card. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.